morning, good morning, good morning. Millie and I had a youth activity this morning. And so I am just making pancakes for her. We are just getting our cooler all ready, loaded up with all sorts of stuff. Our cool cloths, because it is going to be in the mid-90s today. So, gotta stay cool. Got that sunscreen. So, yeah. Okay, mom hack right here. One of my number one things when it comes to cutting up food, use a pizza cutter. Oh my gosh, even on chicken, everything. If you're wanting to shred chicken, use a mixer. It just shreds the chicken and it's so easy. Okay, so you literally just take it and it just cuts it. So easy. And I love it. My kids use it all the time because it's so convenient and easy for them that they never use a knife. Okay, we have made it to, this is the place, Heritage Park. Oh my gosh, the blacksmith was so cool.
Because it's burning hotter than the point I need, which is about 3,000 degrees. Yeah.
Is it so sweet? Hi. Oh. Look at this baby toy. Pet this. He looks like a, what is it called again? Like, animal that live in the desert and have like the two humps on their back.
Oh yes.
The camels?
Camels, yep. So sweet.
Are gone.
So nice.
It looks
Pretty
like it
here. Don't run after it. So fun. So sweet.
Two baby goats.
Huh?
Two baby goats.
Two baby goats? There's a donkey up there.
My bag to steal one.
You should have brought your bag to steal it.
Mom, you should take a picture. Mommy, you should take a picture of me with the goat and send it to Grandma. With the,
You mean the donkey?
Yeah. This feels awkward.
It feels awkward?
It was weird because okay.
Is it hard?
Yeah, but I don't
Yep, so this is the printing press.
Okay, so you're the only one. I got it. Yeah.
Alright. Well, the news is that we are printing the first picture of Desert News from 1850. So what you see on the press right now is the front page. So back in 1850, you would only get the news once a week. And that's because of several factors. But what would happen is you would have to go to church in order to get the paper. So, anyone want to guess how much the newspaper cost back in 1850?
Penny.
Penny. Anyone else have a guess? Yeah.
10.
10.
50 cents. 5 cents.
So it costs 15 cents a paper, which today is $30. So that's your Netflix subscription there.
Yeah.
So let me pull it here. And then put it back. Noodle it back out. Do you think I made a good first impression?
Yep. I hope so.
No, because like when you meet someone, you only get one shot when you're printing the paper.
Wow.
Not too bad. Got a little too much ink in a few areas, but still readable, so I can still make this to sell.
That's
So then what I do is I take this off of here and I hang it up in place. And because it's oil-based, it doesn't dry as fast as your acrylic or your watercolor. So what you do is you have to wait 8 to 12 hours for it to dry during the summertime. or during the winter time, you have to wait up to 3 days. And that includes like when it's raining and stuff during the summer too.
Okay, barber pole stands for, so the barbers used to be like the modern day doctors or surgeons. So these stood for the bandages that wrapped around the pole in the wind. The red was the bloody bandages, and then the blue was for the arteries. So they spun like this, and that's why they spin.
Oh, it's good to know.
Pulling teeth out.
Yeah.
You do that,
Open
of
them
course.
up. Oh, open them up. You just had this one on the back. It's just a little bit. I'm just kidding.
Really? You're not gonna actually do
Wait,
it.
wait. Is it one of the ones in the front, or is it one of the ones in the back?
You could open a spot. So
I
there's
have
no water
a
out.
different one for the ones in the back.
Uh-oh.
This is my one for the back. You're just gonna have to open up really wide. I tap this so it like gingerly hooks into your tooth, and I smack the heck out of it until your tooth comes out. You of course do this too,
He's not
right?
actually gonna do that.
Yeah, that's what Susie does.
Fired.
All right, Millie. Ooh, your mustache. Don't forget that.
Yeah, you have a little hair on the upper lip. There we go.
You guys don't keep any tinkle razors here, do you?
What now?
Razors?
Tinkle razors.
I don't think so. No.
Those are like the little ones that ladies shave.
Ladies shave their face with right now. How does it feel, Millie?
Ron, I heard that. Feels like
Something being wiped off your face?
yeah.
All right.
What did I say? What? You heard
Hopefully you'll still have your chin by the end of this.
Are you so happy? Okay, it's lunchtime, Millie. Are you loving it?
This is my second time.
Yeah, there's a ton to do here.
Okay, we're at the break and we're taking a break.
All right, train time. Let's go.
All aboard!
Full steam ahead!
Great job, everyone. To our
Okay, so this is my first time at This Is the Place. And I am mind blown with the amount of activities that they offer. It just keeps going and going and going. We just got done riding the train. The kids are playing in a pirate ship, and then we're gonna do treasure hunting for gems. So the kids are all on it and playing, and they have a splash pad here. I mean, the kids are having the best time. You're gold mining.
I'm just gonna leave my water bottle
Yeah.
right here. Like that?
Yeah, just like that. And it makes all the gold stick to the bottom.
What does? There's lots of gold right there.
Yeah, there is. Wow, you found a good size.
No. Do you have my one?
So Millie has found 2 big chunks of gold. My dad loved gold panning. Bag for gold is 75 cents. How fun. And you just purchase the tickets upstairs. Millie and I had so much fun doing all the fun activities that This Is the Place offers. You guys, I highly recommend it. It's so much fun, and I love spending time with Millie. More Roseberry adventures to come.